This is the NOKIA G60, and today we're going to demonstrate how you can switch your SIM card preferences on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch the settings. You can do that by either launching the app itself or going with the control center shortcut over here. Next, enter network and internet category. Then go for any of the SIM cards really. I'll go with the first one. In here, you gotta, at this little field you can change the data preference between the SIM cards, the voice call preference, or which SIM card will be used for the phone calls, as well as SMS preference. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.